In this video, I'm going to show you how to DIY some Halloween decor items that you can use at your next Halloween party.
It's Halloween! And what are we gonna do with all of these balloons? Woo! Well, just wait until you see. Now the first craft we are going to make is a balloon garland. So first I will take orange, black, and silver balloons, and of course I'm going to take more than just 3. And now let's go ahead and put this together. Now I can't quite put it together because I've actually never made this before. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and watch someone else do it on Instagram Reels or something, and then see if we can do it. Okay, so I watched it, and basically the gist of it was you're just gonna take several different size balloons and tie them together with the ends, and then take fishing wire or ribbon and tie them around, because you're gonna take groups of 2 and tie them around to make them even bigger. And tie them around to make the long garland. If that doesn't really make any sense, then just wait and see. I think it'll make more sense when I start. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take 2 different colored balloons. You can do whatever colors you want. I'm just doing black and orange because they're kind of like Halloween colors, I guess. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to tie the little ends of the balloon, and I'm gonna make a knot, and just like that. So under and through, and then I'm gonna tie it. And just to be safe, I'm going to actually do it twice, just so I can have it double knotted. Go under and through, and boom. So there you go, 2 together. Now we have to make a lot more groups. So now I'm going to make another group, and this one I'm going to make a little bit smaller than my last one. You, of course, don't have to, but I just am. So now that I have the 2 groups of 2, I'm going to just kind of cross them over and kind of size them how I want it to look like. And then I'm going to take my fishing wire over here and take a long piece of it. I might not need this much, but just to be safe. And I'm going to cut it. And so now, this can get a little tricky, but I think it's pretty cool. So I'm going to kind of just wrap it around and tie it. So here's the wire, and I'm wrapping it around, and I'm gonna try and wrap it around pretty tightly. And so you're gonna keep wrapping it and wrapping it around until you think that you've met your wrapping around point. And then once you have that, you're gonna take these little 2 strands and tie them together tightly. Now I'm gonna tie it around I'm gonna do like a triple knot because I just don't want this to get loose. And so then carefully I'm going to cut the excess fishing wire. And boom, you have your first little bunch for the garland. Now, time to make a lot more. This is my Halloween costume, by the way. I'm supposed to be a zombie cheerleader. But it really looks like a cheerleader with a skull face. Anyways, what are you being for Halloween? It's Halloween, it's Halloween, go Halloween! Monsters, skeletons, zombies, and more. Candy, candy, I want more! Woo! Look at this balloon garland so far, guys. This is awesome! It's so big and longish. Wow, this is looking great. Let's do a quick recap. So again, you're going to take 2 balloons and tie them together. Then take your fishing wire and tie the balloons around. and then tie the balloons around your garland with the fishing wire. This is a great DIY to do with your mom, dad, friends, relative, family, anyone, and while singing some Halloween music.
Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your... This is Halloween, this is Halloween.
The key to making this is to knot everything. Knot the balloons together, knot the wire to the balloons, and knot the balloons and wire to the garlands. Knot! I think this is coming along pretty well. What do you think? And how's yours turning out? Hey, before you do that, do me a favor and make sure you're subscribed because it really helps me grow and I can keep making fun videos for you guys. Oh my gosh, guys, look at how it turned out. I love it. There's so many balloons and they're so cool and long. Woo! Look at this. Woo! Wow, guys, this is crazy. I absolutely love it. But guys, you don't necessarily need to have like a fireplace or something to put this garland over. I'm actually going to be putting it on above my TV because I have like a little shelf above it. So you can really put it wherever works for you. You can even put it on your staircase banister. And since it's so long, you can turn it and do all kinds of cool stuff with it. Woo! Wow. Wow. This is gonna make a great decoration for my Halloween party. Look at how the balloons look above my TV. It's so cool. I just put some tape there and voila. And it even looks good in my dining room. This is gonna be a great Halloween party. Anyways guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you liked it, and as always, make sure you watch another video right now in full, and let's make not normal the new normal with Nadia.